Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days. So if your Facebook account has been permanently deleted and you want to log in after 30 days, then this video is for you. So you guys have to just open up any of your browser. So I'm opening up Chrome browser. So here you guys have to just search for Facebook support. And after tapping on Facebook support, here you guys have to just tap on the first website, which is Help Center Facebook. It will redirect you to Facebook Help Center. Here you guys have to just tap on account settings. So after tapping on account setting, you guys have to just tap on no and tap on other. Facebook will give you a box. Here you guys have to just state your reason or issue and tell the Facebook that you want to log in after 30 days and you are unable to log in, and keep in mind that at the end you guys have to just put your necessary contact information so that Facebook will review your report, and after 48 hours Facebook will respond you via the contact information which you provided. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.